Welcome back, guys. Hope you're doing great. Well, this is the second project update video of the project which we are working currently right now, which is the Used Vehicles Hub, where any user can create an account in our website and they can sell their used cars and bikes. Okay, so in the previous update, we just finished the UI part of the home screen, which is looks like this, and we finished the backend part quite with a very limited features. So based on your requirements and the specifications which you listed out in the previous updated video in the comment section, so I just prepared and I enhanced with few more features with the vehicles, and we completed the search screen along with the push notification. So whenever the user created a new vehicle, or whenever the user being the vehicle which is created by the user, if it is get approved by the admin, he will get the push notification every single time. So the user can able to see the reader notification along with the unreader notification, right? And he have the features to mark all the notifications as a readed one, or literally delete the every single notifications, right? So here we having a lots and lots of filtering options based on the make wise, state wise, category wise, report wise, transmission engine, and along with that we do have this dual slide bar, right? So we have this dual slide bar where the user can adjust the range between the lowest and the highest value. For instance, let's say I want to keep the lowest value as the 1 lakh and the highest value is like 3 lakhs or something. Still this is same, so let me reduce to 1.5 something. See, now we can see it is instantly adjusted. So you can increase the values as much as you want, and you can play around with this dual slide bar. This will work for the both the year and the price. So let me increase the year to 2022. We have only one bike, and if I increase it, we have the two more bikes over here. And I can do the same thing with the transmissions. I can choose automatic. So far we don't have any bikes on automatic in our website. And in the engine, you can choose diesel or petrol. This will work perfectly as it's supposed to be. You can choose the make, where you can type the brand name and you can figure it out, or you can simply choose the state wise. For instance, let me choose the state, and I can choose the district which is listed out only on that specific particular state which you selected. So for here we have only limited number of data only, but if you want to use the entire district informations and the state informations properly, you have to purchase the Google API, Places API, I think so, yes. So then we can go for category based on cars or bikes, whatever the category that you wish to filter, and you can choose the report. For instance, if I want the single owners, we have only one record, or if you choose low mileage, we don't have any specific vehicle in that. If you wish to clear that, simply click this, that's it. And if you want to hide all these filters, just click this, it will be hidden over there. And this is completely responsive. If you look at this is completely responsive, right? So along with that, now as I said, we do have this push notifications, right? For instance, let's say this is the new user which we have over here. If the user click the dashboard, he will be loaded over here, and click the vehicles, and this is the place. So far this particular user doesn't have any vehicles in his particular list, right? For instance, let's say if I wish to add new, all I have to do is to click this add new. Okay, so now here this is the form which the user can able to fill all these necessary details in order to create the vehicles. For instance, let's say I'm gonna say I do have only very few images for the specific bikes. Let's say sample sport bike or something, right? And the model name is going to be sample PV or something. I'm not sure. I'm just giving some roughly informations. And then the price range, I'm just going to fix it as 2,65,000 or something, right? And the category which is going to be bikes, and which is going to be the sport bike, right? And the location, I'm just going to keep it as TTL, which is going to be manual, and which is going to be petrol. Mileage, so far this is the second hand bikes, which is the used vehicle. So far it's been driven 54,000 kilometers or something. State, which is going to be Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. All right, and you can see the pin postal code, which is automatically changed whenever you choose the district. Okay, so you don't have to type it. and this is going to be a single owner vehicle. And let me choose the cover image. Just click this and you can choose. Okay, so let me choose images used vehicles. Okay, so let me choose. So far I do have this image, right? Let me use the same image. I can upload the cover image. It will be updated over here, and I can choose the multiple images for displaying in our gallery. So let me choose the multiple images, click open, and you can see it is been uploading one by one. Once it has been successfully uploaded, you can list out all the images over here, and if you wish to delete it as well, as you can delete it. Just click it. Once you click create vehicle, you can notice that. Okay, so let me usually okay, so there is some slight delay, I think. So usually it will come automatically, no issues, it will work perfectly. So here you can see we have the push notification where it's saying your vehicle sample sport bike has been submitted for review. And now if I get back to the admin portal and if I refresh it, and I can able to see I have 5 notification, and you can see a new vehicle sample sports bike has been submitted for review by the user anonymous, because that's the anonymously created ID. So that's the thing. And here if I get back to the dashboard and if I get back to the vehicles, currently I can't see that specific vehicles. All I have to do is to click this my vehicle where I can see the newly created vehicle by that specific user, and it's saying that status it's pending. And if you check it out over here, he doesn't have this option in order to approve or anything. Only this specific ID, which is a super admin, he has the permissions to approve it. For instance, let's say, let me clear all these notification, mark all this notification as now I don't have any specific unread notification. And as the same way, I don't have any specific unread notification over here, right? Let me get back over here and let me approve this. All I have to do is to click approve, and you can see it is approved, and immediately I do have this. Oops. Oh, come on. Okay, so here you can see we have 100 message vehicle sample sport bike which is been approved by the admin. You can see which is approved. Let me keep it as pending, and if you get back to the home, sorry, or vehicles, you can't see that vehicle which is not being approved yet, right? Which is not being approved yet. It is not be displayed on the search page. All you have to do, get back to the dashboard and open it, and you should approve this vehicle. Put it to approve. Right now we approved it, and if I get back over here, refresh this page, I have 3 notification, because the reason why I get 3, initially I approved it, then I changed it, then again I approved it. That's the reason it is showing 3 different notification, right? And you can see it has been aligned perfectly, the read message and the unread message, and including the time and date when it is being updated by. All these things are completely build it from the scratch. We need to build everything from the scratch. And if you get back to the vehicles now, you can able to see the new vehicle which we created. And you can see we have this the favorites options along with the view and the number of views option, right? So currently, for instance, if I open this bike, you can see okay, so it's showing failed to record a view. Okay, there is some bug, but the view is working. I don't know why it is showing that toast notification. Maybe some issue with the API, but anyways, the job is done. We have still some minor bugs here and there. We will fix it. And you can see we have the count, right? It doesn't matter how many times I've been refreshing it. It is going to say the unique view only, right? So if I get back over here and if I click the vehicles and if I refresh it, you should be able to see the vehicles view where it is. Currently it is not showing. Okay, there is some issue. Let's fix that issue later. Okay, so all I have to do is now this favorite option. So if I want to mark this vehicle as a favorite one, if I click this, it will be added up to our favorites, and you can see I can see the favorites view over here. So let me get back over here, and if I refresh this, you can see now it's showing that favorites count and the view count. Maybe some slight delay on fetching the data back or something like that, right? But still we do have some bugs here and there. But anyways, before launching this project, we will definitely finish this work. And if you check it out in this the view page over here, right? The details page where the user can able to switch between the multiple image, and he can see the images over here and there, right? And he can see the complete the review. So okay, so this is not supposed to be car, this is supposed to be vehicle. Okay, fine. And here we have this nice the card which displays keep on sticky to the topmost position, where the user can see these informations, and we can see the related informations at the end as well, as it which is not going to display the same product again in the related section. And what we are planning to do is, if you click this inquire now, we are planning to go to the message sections where you can directly contact to the owner and you can communicate with the owner through the messages. So that's the thing that we are planning and we are working on it. Okay, so if you wish to make some changes in the UI, or if you're having any more suggestions that you want to implement in this project, feel free to contact us and drop your message in the comment sections, and we will happy to know about your suggestions and the specifications, right? So as I said, still this project is completely working, and we are building this full stack project, even though it's taking and consuming a long time for come up with a nice project. I hope you guys support us. So if you're watching our video or channel for very first time, hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and keep and stay tuned. We will come up with this project, and few more projects are yet to come, so stay tuned.